I don't know if this is the wrong thing to do. I'll generally not warm up because I record all of my really, really low bits first, and I find that they just sound better. Well, they do sound better just cold.
Sound check.
I can't go as low after I've been singing for a while, so I'll sing those, and I feel like that kind of warms me up a little bit.
Yeah, it's interesting because as the voice warms up, you are going to find that you do lose a bit of the low end because the muscle and the ligaments sort of activate in such a way as to create a little bit more tightness.
Yep.
And so getting the lower notes with the depth of tone. The depth of tone maybe it's not so much because we want to be able to activate more shape for generated tone. Interestingly though, when I was recording my my own solo album back in 2006-07, my engineer who, you know, award-winning engineer, he used to have me, and I would arrive warmed up, and he would have me sing into the session, and he always said that my best take period was for about 40 minutes to an hour, about 2 hours into the session.
Yeah, right.
That's what he always... Now, I do wonder in the case of my voice, whether that was because actually my voice was starting to retain a bit of fluid and actually start to fatigue a little bit, which for my voice gave me a little bit more colouring, a little bit more thickness in the tone.
Yeah, would that be a bit of air, do you think, or...
No, I think it's possibly got to do with a little bit more swelling at the level of the vocal folds.
Yeah, okay.
And certainly from my engineer / producer's point of view, that was the tone he was happier with. Mm-hmm. Now, in the case of my voice, one of the challenges that I have is left to its own devices, it can be quite strident, a bit sharp in its tone, not sharp in pitch, but, you know, just a bit too bright.
Yep.
So it's working within the framework of your own physiology, you know, and sort of discovering what's going to work for you. What we want to try to avoid is simply, you know, going cold and expecting the voice to work across its full range of motion without having been prepared to do so.
Yep.
So you just have to be mindful of that. Yeah, so I'm always advocating for some level of vocal warm-up before you start.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. No, that makes sense.
Sound check.
G'day, today's video was a clip taken from a chat between one of my private singing students and me. By sharing this snippet of our in-lesson discussion, I hope you'll gain further insight into the subject of our conversation, and I hope this brings you a nuanced understanding of the topic even beyond what my carefully scripted videos seek to provide, which I hope you'll also take a moment to watch. In fact, you can continue watching more of my Learn to Sing videos by clicking on this video right here. I hope to see you again soon. I'm Dr. Dan. Sing well.